and gentlemen, Sanjay Raut and the entire Maharashtra government is stunned tonight. Stunned at the fierceness of one woman, Kangana Ranaut's direct attack on senior Sena leader Sanjay Raut and of course the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray. That has left Sanjay Raut running for cover, fumbling for answers, completely cornered, but an arrogant Raut refuses to apologize. Isn't he insulting women with his refusal to apologize for the HK word that he called Kangana by? That's debate number one on the News Hour this Thursday evening. Also on the show, the politics of name calling that has broken out on the 70th birthday of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Congress celebrates the birth anniversaries of the Gandhis, but resorts to sullying the Prime Minister's name on his birthday, calling it National Unemployment Day. That's debate number two, and the sense of propriety. Is it dead forever? Those are the debates coming up on the News Hour tonight. But first up, let's begin this Thursday's edition with the voice of one woman that has stunned an entire state government into complete silence. My interview with Kangana Ranaut yesterday has set the tone for two people to answer some very specific questions. One is Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut and the other is Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Uddhav Thackeray. Kangana Ranaut minced no words when she asked some very uncomfortable questions to these two men, especially Sanjay Raut, who called her by some very derogatory names a few days ago, insulted her again and again. But she stood like a rock and answered every ugly jibe thrown at her. Listen in to what Kangana Ranaut told me on this week's edition of Frankly Speaking, which we played out yesterday at 9 p.m. Listen in to Kangana.
मैं लड़की एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट करती हूँ, मैं हरामखोर नहीं हूँ, और जो टैक्स स्लैब में मैं आती हूँ, मेरा हाईएस्ट टैक्स स्लैब है, मेरा टैक्स 43-45% के बीच होता है. आफ्टर गिविंग कमीशंस या और आफ्टर गिविंग सैलरीज मेरे को अपनी आमदनी में से मेरा 40 या 45% मेरे को आता है. बाकी मैं सब महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट के उसमें जाता है. तो वहाँ रहने का, काम करने का आप मुझसे टैक्स लेते हैं ना संजय जी? आप किस तरह से इकोनॉमी में कंट्रीब्यूट करें, मुझे वो जानना है. आपकी खुद की क्या हैसियत है 1 रुपया कमाने की? बाला साहब ठाकरे की वैल्यू सिस्टम का क्या, उसका क्या, उसको तो आपने छोड़ दिया. तो आपको क्या हक बनता है इन सब चीजों को इनहेरिट करने का? तो उद्धव ठाकरे जी मुफ्तखोर कौन है? संजय जी मुफ्तखोर कौन है? मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं संजय राउत जी से एंड उद्धव ठाकरे जी से कि उन्होंने मुझे हराम को मुफ्तखोर का, मैंने तो बता दिया और मैं पेपर से भी ये प्रूव कर सकती हूँ कि मैं मुफ्तखोर नहीं हूँ. उनको मुझे प्रूव करना है कि वो मुफ्तखोर नहीं है. What is their real worth?
One thing remains unchanged, ladies and gentlemen, when it comes to the Shiv Sena: their arrogance. And that was on display when Times Now confronted Sanjay Raut today. He's a parliamentarian. And we questioned him on Kangana Ranaut's pointed questions. Scampering for answers, the Sena leader first decided to put on a boastful demeanor, only to be left beating around the bush for answers. Not one answer, not one word, which is a 5-letter word called SORRY. Sorry. Listen in to Sanjay Raut.
कौन कंगना रनावत? मैं वैजयंती माला को पहचानता हूँ. मैं वैजयंती माला वाला आदमी हूँ. मैं कंगना हमारे लिए मैटर खत्म. आप मुझे अभी वापस मुझे मालूम है. मैं ऐसी खबरें नहीं पढ़ता हूँ ना सुनता हूँ. हमेशा गांधी जी का जो विचार है, न बुरा देखना है, न बुरा सुनना है, न बुरा बोलना है. अगर कोई इस बारे में बोलता होगा तो ये उनका संस्कार हो सकता है. जो सवाल आप मुझसे पूछ रहे हो वो कोई हमारे पार्टी का विषय नहीं है. अभी कौन क्या बोलता है इसको टाइम है देखने को. बहुत काम है दिल्ली और मुंबई.
काम है। वैजयंती माला को जानते हैं, कंगना रनौत को तो जानते भी नहीं हैं। और गांधी जी के 3 बंदरों में से एक बंदर हैं संजय राउत जी। ना बुरा बोलते हैं, ना सुनते हैं, ना सोचते हैं। Now let me tell you why Sanjay Raut's arrogance needs to be demolished. He called Kangana Ranaut a mental woman, a naughty girl, naughty being the explanation for the HK word that he used as an abuse. And he has used language which I can't even utter on this show. His party colleagues went on to say that they would smash her face. Jabda tod denge. Now, while their anger was directed at one person, one woman, their mindset was out there for everyone to see. A mindset that reeks not just of arrogance, of power, but that of a complete sexism. Kangana Ranaut is just the latest manifestation of this despicable mindset. The latest victim, if I may say so, Sanjay Raut, needs to not just apologize to Kangana Ranaut, but to better half of India's country's population that takes offense at that kind of language being used against any and every woman in India. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the least Mr. Sanjay Raut, who's a parliamentarian and sits in the House of Elders in Rajya Sabha, should be responsible to give. So, ladies and gentlemen, the legitimate question on the news are tonight. Sanjay Raut's refusal to apologize, is it not an insult to women? That's the question I'm asking on the news hour tonight.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
And joining me tonight, GVL Narasimha Rao, National Spokesperson and Member of Parliament of the BJP, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, author Ishkaran Bhandari, Advocate Mamta Kale, former member CBFC, Nasir Abdullah, actor Nupur Mehta, actor Ashutosh, political analyst Akash Deep Sabir, film director MC Abbas, political analyst. But my first question goes across to Ashutosh. Ashutosh, if we are conscience keepers of the nation today, should we not condemn the way Mr. Sanjay Raut says कि वो तो बुरा बोलते ही नहीं है, ना सुनते हैं, ना देखते हैं, गांधी जी के बंदरों में से एक हैं। भाई पिछले हफ्ते जो HK कहा था वो संजय राउत के नाम मुंह से निकला था या कहीं और से निकला था? मेंटल जब कहा था तब क्या था? और जब कहा शिव सैनिकों ने कि जबड़ा तोड़ देंगे तब क्या था? आज कह रहे हैं कंगना रनौत कौन है? घर तोड़ दिया, उखाड़ दिया, लेकिन कंगना रनौत है कौन? आशुतोष जी, कौन है कंगना रनौत?
ये सवाल तो आप संजय राउत से पूछिए, ये सवाल आप मुझसे क्यों पूछ रहे कंगना रनौत? लेकिन मैं एक बात जरूर कहना चाहता हूं, क्योंकि आप
हर चीज पर व्यू रखते हैं, इसलिए आपसे पूछ रही हूं।
क्योंकि मेरा अपना मानना यह है कि जिस तरीके से इस लड़ाई को तूल दिया जा रहा है, इस लड़ाई का कोई मतलब नहीं है, क्योंकि आज देश के अंदर बहुत सारे ऐसे मुद्दे जिन पर चर्चा होनी चाहिए। खैर, आपने कंगना रनौत के बारे में सवाल पूछा है, मैं ये भी सवाल करना चाहता हूँ संजय राउत को निश्चित तौर पर जिस तरीके जिन शब्दों का इस्तेमाल किया उसके लिए उनकी निंदा भी होनी चाहिए, और अगर हो सके तो उनको इसके लिए क्षमा भी मांगनी चाहिए। लेकिन मैं एक सवाल आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, और मैं बीजेपी के तमाम प्रवक्ताओं से पूछना चाहता हूँ कि जिस तरीके से जया बच्चन के साथ सोशल मीडिया पे जिस तरीके से उनको गालियां दी गई और जिस तरीके से तमाम टीवी चैनल्स पर उनके खिलाफ बयानबाजी की गई, क्या वो किसी महिला का अपमान नहीं है? और क्या जिस तरीके से कंगना रनौत ने जया बच्चन के खिलाफ टायरेट किया आपके चैनल पे, क्या वो उनका अपमान नहीं है? जया बच्चन को कम से कम मैं जानता हूं और आप भी जानती हैं और एक पूरी पीढ़ी जानती है कि वो उस तरीके की भाषा का कभी इस्तेमाल नहीं करती है। अगर उन्होंने संसद के अंदर खड़े होकर अपनी बात को रखा है तो वो उसके अधिकारी है, उससे विचार होना चाहिए, उससे बातचीत होनी चाहिए, बजाय उसके जिस तरीके से कंगना रनौत ने जया बच्चन को टारगेट किया और जिस तरीके से वो हर किसी व्यक्ति को टारगेट कर रही फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के, क्या वो जस्टिफाइड है? अगर जस्टिफाइड है तो फिर ठीक है, फिर तो संजय राउत भी अपनी बातों में कहने के लिए जस्टिफाइड है, फिर बाकी लोग भी कहने के लिए जस्टिफाइड है। मुझे नहीं लगता कि आपने जया बच्चन को, उनके परिवार को जिस तरीके से टारगेट किया वो बिल्कुल गलत बात है। और शेमलेस जया बच्चन जिस तरीके का ट्रोलिंग की गई है, मुझे लगता है अगर किसी भी व्यक्ति में जरा सी भी शर्म है तो कम से कम उन्हें ऐसे शब्दों का इस्तेमाल नहीं करना चाहिए। और जो लोग ऐसे शब्दों का इस्तेमाल जिन्होंने किया जया बच्चन के लिए, उन सारे लोगों को पूरे देश से माफी मांगनी चाहिए।
Dr. Anand Ranganathan, before I go across to Mr. GVL Narasimha Rao.
नो, गुड इवनिंग नाविका। आप आशुतोष जी की रैशनलाइजेशन देखिए जरा। कह रहे हैं कि ये मुद्दा नहीं है। चलिए मान लिया ये मुद्दा नहीं है। अगर आशुतोष जी के लटियन जोन में करोड़ों के बंगले पे बुलडोजर चला दिए होते बीजेपी ने, तो सबसे पहले ये प्लेकार्ड लेके खड़े होते इंडिया गेट पे और इसको 2 महीने तक मुद्दा बना के रखते। जब खुद पे बीतती है तब पता चलता है आशुतोष जी। नंबर 2, what he's saying is कि what Sanjay Raut is doing is somehow equivalent to what some trolls are doing, i.e. abusing Jaya Bachchan. इसमें मैं याद दिला दूं कि आशुतोष जी का ही एक वीडियो है, आई थिंक इनके ही टीवी का, जिसमें ये कह रहे हैं कि इनको डिप्रेशन आ जाता है जब ट्विटर ट्रोल्स इनको गालियां देते हैं और उनके साथ जो आदमी बैठा हुआ है ही टेक्स ओवर द कमांड एंड सेज कि अरे आशुतोष जी आपको इतनी गालियां पड़ती हैं, मैं क्या बताऊं, इतनी गालियां पड़ती हैं कि 500 रिस्पॉन्सेज में से 480 गालियां होती हैं। तो अब उस पे आप इक्वेट करेंगे संजय राउत किसी को गाली दे रहे हैं और कह रहे हैं कि उनके पिताजी का अपमान कर रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं कि मुंबई में आओ। इज दैट इन इक्विवेलेंस? आशुतोष, आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट दिस फ्रॉम यू। नंबर 2, नाविका, आई मस्ट स्ट्रेस ऑन दिस that Kangana, to paraphrase something that was said for Modi, Kangana is just in the way. The real target of Shiv Sena is to completely quieten down any kind of response or any criticism from any Mumbaiker. सभी मुंबईकर ने ये देख लिया, सभी बॉलीवुड वालों ने ये देख लिया कि अगर हम कुछ भी बोलेंगे तो हमारा घर पे बुलडोजर चला देंगे, हम पे क्या क्या वो करेंगे, सब चीज वो, तो सब डर गए हैं। असली डर का माहौल ऐसा होता है। असली फासिज्म, आशुतोष, जो आप कह रहे हैं 6 साल से मोदी कर रहा है, आप मुंबई जाके देखिए असली फासिज्म क्या होता है। सो यू नो, टू वॉइस योर ओपिनियन हैज नाउ बिकम अ क्राइम इन महाराष्ट्र, फॉर विच Kangana is being paid in kind. It is as simple as that.
Well, GVL Narasimha Rao, you know, on one question that has been raised by Mr. Ashutosh, I have no problems in saying that yes, Jaya Bachchan is somebody who is extremely respected. We've seen her films, we've seen her conduct. You know, she's a parliamentarian. She's picked up women's issues, and more power to women like her who've come forward. But a small little but. GVL Narasimha Rao, when Jaya Bachchan picked up this issue in Parliament, which she is absolutely, having the right to do, no mention about the fact that another member of her own film fraternity, which is Bollywood, was treated in such a manner. She was abused, her house was broken down, so much so that the Bombay High Court had to come out and make an observation right in the order that this was not certainly bona fide action by the BMC, which works under the Maharashtra government, but this was malified. Not one mention of that, not one condemnation of the fact that her own colleague from the film world, from the Bollywood, who she may not like, she may not like her. She may not like her or agree with her approach, her opinion. But the fact is, आप किसी को पसंद नहीं कर सकते हैं तो उसे आप HK कहेंगे, HK कहेंगे और कहेंगे HK का मतलब होता है नॉटी। इसकी कॉन्डेमनेशन भी तो फिर सीनियर मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट जया बच्चन जी शायद अगर कर देती तो शायद some hurt would have been covered.
Yeah, Navika, you're absolutely right. When people look up to some members of the film fraternity with respect, you are not expected to play to the gallery or to speak for a section or a lobby. But here, Kangana was actually taking on the dynastic lobby in the Bollywood. Like the political dynasties across the country are being challenged, she's challenging the dynasties, the Bollywood dynasty. And there is a massive public support for her in the social media and in every other forum that you can think of. And Jaya Bachchan, rather than represent the larger film fraternity, she chose to speak for a particular section against which possibly Kangana is today raged. And Sanjay Raut, I think he has found a match for his arrogance in Kangana Raut. In fact, Kangana Ranaut is doing better than Sanjay Raut. And certainly, I think he needs to apologize. I think for the first time, the Sena is finding that somebody is taking on the dynasty. And what is the real worth of Uddhav Thackeray? She's asking a straight question. And people like Ashutosh, who want to talk about trolls, why doesn't he talk about Rahul Gandhi? who is the worst troll that you can think of in the political spectrum. Has he ever criticized? Forget about taking on. Has he ever criticized Rahul Gandhi's tweets about the Prime Minister? He's the worst political troll that you can see in social media. But you cannot have different standards, Ashutosh. When you speak like an expert, when people look up to people like Jaya Bachchan as a role model, as a senior member of the fraternity, you should not be speaking for a lobby or for a certain section. Then you lose the respect. People look up to you as a role model because you are expected to highlight the negatives within the fraternity. There are bad apples in Bollywood. There are bad people in politics. Would you say politics is all clean? There is absolutely no politician who does nothing bad except public service? I think I have no shame in accepting there are many bad politicians. There are many corrupt politicians. But we must always strive to ensure that we are able to remove negativity and actually provide the kind of positive
fair point.
service
And
for
Nasir
people.
Abdullah, that's the question I want to ask you. How many people stood with Kangana Ranaut? Maybe everybody doesn't agree with her. Maybe what she says is not palatable. Maybe she speaks the truth in a manner which is absolutely unedited, and maybe it upsets some people. She may be politically incorrect, but she says what she feels, and many people will not agree with her. It's a given. But many people do not agree with many other people. The fact is, does that give anybody, and especially somebody who's ruling a state, somebody who's in the position of power and ruling a state, and call such names to an individual who's a citizen, has no power other than the fame and the career that has given her the position that it has. Other than that, what does she have? Why did the film industry not object to that? Because at that time, you are kowtowing to the local state government, and that's why that political hand on your head is more important than taking a position for Kangana Ranaut, supporting her for being abused or her house being demolished. Where was Bollywood then? Where was the backbone then?
Yeah, hello Navika. Thank
Hi.
you. It's a long question, but I have this little fear that as I speak, I have a few other things to say regarding this whole arena. So I would like to be allowed about half the time that you had given to GVL Saab. And so it'll be nice if I don't get interrupted, because I lose my balance and I get confused. So if I may be allowed about a minute. So first things first is that Mr. Sanjay Raut finds himself in a very awkward position because he used his regular Sena style, arrogance, etc., and it's not worked very well for him because many issues are there, and also Kangana has a backing, so he's had to withdraw and he finds himself in an embarrassing position. The next thing I will say is that yes, he needs to apologize for that unethical, rather mean, almost obscene sort of remark on her, that HK word. He should apologize. But before that, I would also like to say that the fact is that actually Kangana fired the first shot when she said Bombay is like POK, which means Pakistan occupied Kashmir, which is a very detrimental, irresponsible, mean statement to make about a city that has given you everything and everything. A very high-handed one. So that was very wrong in my opinion. I'm very, very disappointed with her, but obviously she wanted to take a pot shot and she knew it would ruffle a lot of the feathers. Having said that, I would like to move to the next thing. I want to ask a question, and I can't ask them now because they're not here, but you can ask them on the next show. Mr. Ravi Kishan and Kangana, I would like to ask them very nicely and sweetly, where were you all these years? The problem of drugs, etc., and the hole in the thali has been there for ages. Might be getting worse, but it's there, and it's all over India. And there is, this ganja smoking and everything is like so rampant, it's not funny. From the north to the south, it's all over the place. So we are being actually deflected. This is another issue. It should be handled. I'm not
All
saying
right.
they should not
Ishkaran
investigate.
Bhandari.
They should
Ishkaran
investigate
Bhandari is
and
coming
uproot
in
everything.
and he's
So I want
going
to ask that
answer.
question.
He's going to answer at one level. He's
Thank
also
you.
the lawyer of Kangana Ranaut and Ishkaran Bhandari. I want to ask you. Now they say, बिचारी टूट गया घर, हम नहीं आए बाहर तो क्या हुआ? पर ये बताओ, why is she talking about drugs now? Why didn't she talk about it earlier?
Navika, the Shiv Sena faces a humongous problem.
Yes.
They have been known to do a politics of intimidation. Unfortunately, they have met a fearless woman who is calling out their bluff. What do? They threaten कि उसका मुंह तोड़ देंगे. Then they abuse her in Hindi and try to give an English meaning, which we all know naughty is not the meaning of what they had said in Hindi. But the problem they are facing is because they are flopping on all counts, they have to attack her and see the headline the next day they have after illegally breaking her office. Ukhad liya. Is that the language of a party in power?
Or is the language of a street fight rowdy, which they are proudly publishing because they want to scare other voices. Their fear is, what if other people start speaking up, taking a cue from Kangana? So let's try to intimidate her. And also, I will add, I have seen slander campaigns run against you also by trolls masquerading as hostile journalists, then put their comments off. Because the problem they all face is that the hard underlining question.
What is the legacy of Balasaheb Thackeray? What is the problem of drugs in Bollywood? And let us not be dismissive of the problem of drugs in Bollywood, because it is not merely weed, which itself is a gateway drug,
Sure.
but it is also hard drugs, and Bollywood has a peculiar influence over people, youngsters. That is why they get crores of rupees for advertisements, because their lifestyle sells, their glamorous lifestyle sells. They make money by selling themselves, and if they sell on Instagram drugged out parties as if those are cool things, we do not know what were the drugs being served there.
My
But
question
we are
was,
being
why
able-
now?
Let
Why
me
not
finish, I will
before?
interrupt you. Let me finish, I will
So
interrupt
you're
you.
saying,
So those things need to be
no.
taken
Why
into
now?
account,
Why
and that
not
is their
before?
worry.
So let me ask Akashdeep, why now? Why not before? Which means कि जो जैसा चल रहा है चलने दो. अगर ड्रग्स हैं तो क्या है? किसी को क्या प्रॉब्लम है? हमारे यहाँ
No,
लोग
it doesn't
drugs
mean
पी रहे
that.
हैं, मर रहे हैं,
I didn't say
overdose
that.
हो रहे हैं. Why
I didn't
now?
say
Why
that.
not earlier?
I did not say that.
But what does it mean? Are you saying that it's not convenient to look at the drug issue
Don't
now?
put words
Why not
into my
earlier?
mouth.
Then why don't you ask?
Don't
why
put
don't you
words
ask
into my
all
mouth,
the senior
madam.
actors who've
Don't
spent
put
30
words
years
into my
in
mouth,
Bollywood?
madam.
Why did they
Madam,
not raise
don't
the drug
put words
issue
into
earlier?
my mouth.
Why did they
No.
not? Kangana,
Don't put words
Kangana,
into
if
my
she had
mouth.
raised
I
these
did not
issues
say that.
earlier,
I did
you
not
would
say
have said,
it
who is
doesn't
she?
matter.
She's not
I
even
said,
got
let
any
there be an
position in
investigation.
Bollywood. Now that
You're
she has
putting
got
words
some
into my
position, she's
mouth.
reached
I
certain
did not
stage,
say
you will
that.
say, why now?
I did not say that.
Is there going
I
to
said
be
there
a
should be an
right
investigation.
time? A right
I didn't
time?
say chalta hai.
You know, कोई
Those are
मुहूर्त
not my
निकलेगा
words.
ममता काले to raise the issue of drugs in Bollywood? Is there going to be a havan, a puja, a muhurat, and only after that you can raise the issue of drugs in Bollywood? What is this kind of logic?
I didn't say that. I didn't say that.
Absolutely correct, Navija ji. Absolutely correct. Nasir Saab, let me speak now. Nasir Saab, with your permission, can I speak? Nasir ji.
Akashdeep,
Jaya
I'm coming
Bachchan
to
ji
you.
also said that
Akashdeep,
there
I'm
are
coming
few
to you.
people
Mamta Kale is
who
responding and
deal-
I'll come to you.
You know, there are these senior Bollywood actors, I would say, have been saying this time and again that entire Bollywood industry is not dealing or indulging into narcotics. We agree with it, and none of us have said this. Nowhere did we say that, you know, entire Bollywood industry is drug peddler or they are indulging into all of this. But the people from the fraternity have come out and did say that there are black sheeps, there are people who have been indulging into drug. Then why don't you guys, come out and give those names to NCB? Why didn't you speak up till now? Today you all have been saying, including respected Jaya ji, that no, there are people who have been doing drugs. Then who stopped you? Were you waiting for a muhurt or havan or for an invitation card? that कोई आपको देगा और उसके बाद आप बोलोगे as far as Kangana Ranaut is concerned, none of them, nobody stood by Kangana Navika when she was being bullied, abused, threatened by the Maharashtra government, and you know, by everyone. None stood for Sushant Singh Rajput when he died under mysterious circumstances. Why? They don't they belong to your fraternity? Didn't you work with them some time or the other? Didn't they touch your
That's
life
the point.
somewhere?
Akashdeep,
उस समय आपकी थाली में छेद नहीं हुआ
why
था।
different
उस समय आपकी
yardsticks
थाली
for
में छेद
different
नहीं हुआ था।
people from the same industry? Why don't we ask that question? Why should Kangana be abused and nobody come out and condemn it? Why should her house be demolished and nobody come out and condemn it? Why should Sushant Singh Rajput die in such mysterious circumstances and the Mumbai police calls it a suicide in 15 minutes and nobody comes out and gives any condolences to the family or questions the government? I want to ask you, why only a few people constitute Bollywood is a question people will ask.
Navika, this should be answered in two parts. A-listers did not come out to say one of our fellow brothers has died, especially a few days after it was clear that this is not just normal suicide. And nobody came up on a platform individually, together, placards, whatever, saying we want the CBI or the police at that stage.
No,
there was no
other
question
than
of
Kangana,
CBI.
no one came out. I'm sorry, मैं
Ma'am, I
बीच में
heard
बोल
you.
रही हूँ, but
Please, stop
except
this habit of
Kangana,
interjecting.
nobody came
You
out.
will not
Nobody
speak, otherwise on
supported
the show we
Sushant
will
Singh
interject. You
Rajput's
can-
family.
She
I am
breaks our
sorry.
thought process,
Now
ma'am.
today, the government of the day of Maharashtra says,
Next
who's
point.
Kangana?
Navika, let
By
us-
the way,
Next
she
point.
was your
You ask her the
taxpayer. She
question.
is your taxpayer. She has voted
Next
for
point.
you. And even if she has not voted for you, once you are elected, every citizen, everybody who lives in Maharashtra is your
So
responsibility. and you
Akashdeep,
better take
yes,
care of
nobody
them.
came
You
out for
cannot
SSR.
deny from your
Yes,
responsibility.
nobody came out
You
for
cannot
Kangana.
do that.
But when Kangana speaks, they say ये कौन है?
Can I
हम तो
answer?
वैजंती माला को जानते हैं.
Navika, can I answer? She's
Answer.
gone on another tangent.
Exactly.
No, how do I answer? The minute I talk, she butts
Yeah.
in. Would she like it if we do the same to her?
बोलिए
Look at the level of people on the panel. I don't think this should be such
Sir,
an
let's not talk
debate.
about the level of people. Everybody
I
is a
am raising
respected
it.
panelist,
I am
sir.
raising it.
Just
I
a
am saying I
second.
don't
Do
want
not,
this interjection.
Akashji, do
Let
not
me
Please,
go to my
level of
all
people
right.
क्या होता
My
है?
language,
ये gender
my
bias है
Again,
क्या?
Navika, you
When
people
I
don't
was
understand
speaking,
the
you
full
did speak
sentence.
over me.
I said,
So do
look
not
at the
use
level,
such
such
words.
nice
Lord.
people.
Do
Allow
not-
them
do
to
not-
speak.
All right, all right, all right, all
She's
right.
gone again.
All right, all right, all right, Akashdeep.
Now,
I want to
what do
ask
you
you
mean by
one
this
pointed
level of
question.
people?
Does
let me answer.
Sanjay Raut
What is your
owe
level?
an apology
What is
to
your level?
Kangana or not?
Sanjay Raut's choice of words, the word that you all are discussing is absolutely out of tune and deserves to be apologized for. For the rest,
उसके
I
बारे में
equally blame both.
पार्लियामेंट में चर्चा नहीं होनी चाहिए थी. उसके बारे में नहीं होना चाहिए था. After all, he sits in the same house as Miss Jaya Bachchan.
करे बट ये बात आप हम नॉर्मल सिटीजन्स को पूछते करो बिल्कुल करो और जया जी ने भी पार्लियामेंट में क्या कहा कि डोंट पेंट द एंटायर इंडस्ट्री ब्लैक मतलब बिकॉज इन दोस डेज इंक्लूडिंग कंगना वाज सेइंग 99% ऑफ
Navika, I want to
मुझे तो
come in.
लगता है
Can I
100%.
get-
I don't think she mentioned any percentages. Dr. Anand Ranganathan, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, did Kangana mention any percentages of how many people
Yes,
in Bollywood
she did.
were bad or
99%.
doing
I will
drugs
send you
or
the
whatever? She didn't mention any.
Yes,
She said
she
it
did.
was rampant,
She
and
did.
I think all
I
of
will
us
send
say
you
it's
the video.
rampant.
Navika 99% loud and clear as long as
Navika, I hope. Now, excuse me, sir. Were you the one saying please don't interrupt, and now you are interrupting me? Thank you very much.
Sir, there's a voice
The question's
delay.
been asked of me.
Started talking, I
Navika,
stopped.
I hope you are noticing. Thank you. Thanks very much. I appreciate that. Navika, I hope you have noticed the subtle rationalizing of what Shiv Sena's Gundism has done to Kangana. Have you noticed that? On two counts. Two of your panelists are so petrified that they are saying, yes, I think Mr. Sanjay Raut, Shri 108 Sanjay Raut should probably apologize.
No, no. His
And then they are rationalizing.
choice of
But
words
hang
is
on.
wrong.
Didn't
His
Kangana
choice
first
of
insult
words is wrong.
Mumbai
They are not
by
saying he should
POK?
apologize.
चॉइस ऑफ वर्ड्स इज रॉन्ग. ये है डर, ये इसे डर कहते हैं. ये डरे हुए लोग हैं. Now, as for people justifying what Sanjay Raut did because of what Kangana did, for the nth time, let me quote Kangana verbatim. Here it is. Shiv Sena leader has given me an open threat and asked me not to come back to Mumbai. After Azadi graffitis in Mumbai streets and now open threats, why Mumbai is feeling like POK. You know that? This is what she said verbatim. इसको आपने तरोड़ मरोड़ के ऐसा कर दिया कि you are justifying what Sanjay Raut did, the abuses, the threats, the asking, you know, all those things. This is what is scary.
And MC
Mumbai
Abbas,
felt oppressive to her because she was being threatened, abused,
Abbas, I want to ask you a short question.
And just like you can't visit POK,
and that
even though
question
it is
today there are people on this panel who are saying that पहले कंगना ने कहा इसीलिए there was a reaction. I want to ask, पहले कंगना ने कहा और पहले she was threatened, पहले she was called HK, and then she said, you know, and पहले the BMC made those manhole covers with her name on it. पहले कंगना ने किया. पहल कहाँ से हुई थी MC अब्बास? शायद लोगों की मेमोरी बहुत छोटी है, बहुत शॉर्ट है. पहल किसने की थी?
नाविका जी, आप बिल्कुल सही हैं. पहल तो
डरे हुए हैं नाविका,
शुरुआत हुई है, कोई बात नहीं है. But this is also true, Navika ji. The manhole, the where we see the shame, the wall of shame that we see of Kangana Ranaut is from an Instagram artist. Also, as a matter of fact, Roses are like Bale Sabru, let's smash Kangana's hypocrisy, me and you.
Well, the last time I saw a WhatsApp forward being forwarded by a retired Navy officer, Mr. GBL Narasimha Rao, he was bashed up by Shiv Senics. And it took a long time for them to arrest the people who had done it. So Instagram artist paints all this. उसके खिलाफ कुछ नहीं होगा because he's only abusing Kangana, and Kangana can be abused.
So Kangana
but you can't forward a joke, a cartoon on the Shiv Sena itself. GVL Narasimha Rao.
No, Navika,
double standards, hypocrisy.
No, it's worse than that. Double standards and hypocrisy are the other name for Shiv Sena. But here they have applied their standard Gunda tactics, and this has backfired with Kangana. And now the joke in Mumbai is that this is not a serious threat. Corona is not a serious threat. Don't worry about it. We should fight Kangana. I think the entire Shiv Sena is preoccupied with fighting Kangana. And the statements of Mr. Sanjay Raut, that I don't know who she is he's only trying to hide his own fear by making such a statement.
Well,
I think the entire
Ukhad Diya is the headline that Sanjay Raut used in Samna when the house of Kangana Ranaut was demolished. Well, Kangana Ranaut can turn around and say, if Sanjay Raut doesn't even remember who Kangana is and only remembers Vajayanti Mala, तो Kangana ji, आपने भी उखाड़ दिया. This time आपने उखाड़ दिया एक memory. जो यहाँ पे ग्रे सेल्स हैं शायद वही उखाड़ दी. Well, whether you agree with the choice of words of Kangana Ranaut or not, the fact is that she's a bold woman. She's a woman who speaks her mind. Like her, hate her, can't ignore her because some things that she says hit right home. She may not choose her words of political correctness, but she says it plain and simple. And that probably is uncomfortable for those who always live in innuendo and look at the My Baap culture. Thank you very much to my panelists for joining me on debate number 1. Debate number 2, on the Prime Minister's birthday, look at the Congress, how it behaves. Nehru's birthday, Bal Divas. Prime Minister's birthday, Unemployment Divas. That debate coming up on the other.